Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to chat all about my morning skincare routine. I want to share my favorite products with you guys, things that I especially love to use in the morning, talk you through the steps that I like to do, and of course my favorite products. And I'm also going to talk a little bit about some general skincare tips as well that I swear by, especially in the morning. So we're going to get into all of that. I hope that you guys enjoy and find some good tips and recommendations, and let's get started. So starting out with cleanser, I like to use the same cleanser that I use in the evenings as my second cleanse, and lately it's been the IS Clinical Warming Honey Cleanser. I talked about this in my evening skincare routine as well. I've been really loving this cleanser lately. It's been my favorite. I love the gentleness of this cleanser, but it's still very effective. As some of you may know, I do have more acne prone and sensitive skin, so I like to use a cleanser that is still going to help me to unclog my pores and give me a deep cleanse, but I do like something that is more on the gentle side. I don't like for a cleanser to strip my skin and make me feel like really tight and dry, and this absolutely does not do that, which I love. I know some people just like to wash their face with some water in the mornings, but I really like to cleanse. I do also work out in the mornings, not every morning, but a few times per week, and then I do get a bit sweaty, so I do think that it's important to wash that off. And even on days when I haven't worked out, I like to give myself a fresh base in the morning and really do a cleanse. And then the serums and things that I put on my skin afterwards, I know that they're going to penetrate better into my skin because I have a clean canvas. The next part of my morning skincare routine is applying a vitamin C. This is, I think, one of the most important things in my morning skincare routine, along with SPF. But we'll get into that in a little bit. I swear by a good vitamin C, and I have a few here that I want to share with you guys. First, I'm going to tell you about the one that I'm currently using. It is from Beautystat. It is their Universal C Skin Refiner. It looks like this, and this contains 20% of vitamin C. This is a stabilized form of vitamin C. It's called L-ascorbic acid, and I believe 20% is the highest legal amount that you can put in a skincare product, which is pretty cool. So this is really potent, and the texture of this is also really cool. It's like a gel cream consistency, and all of the other vitamin C's that I've used in the past are more in an oil consistency. So it's just interesting how this one is completely different to the other ones that I've used, and I really love this. I actually got this recently in a PR package from Cult Beauty. I did a PR unboxing. Some of you guys might remember that, and I actually ended up loving this product so much. And vitamin C just in general is such a great ingredient for brightening the skin. It's amazing for helping to even out discoloration and just the overall tone of your complexion. So if you have, hyperpigmentation, any dark spots, vitamin C is amazing for that. Plus, it's also the precursor for producing collagen, so it can really help to stimulate collagen production. And collagen is of course really important for skin elasticity, for helping to keep your skin like nice and tight and firm and supple. And vitamin C is also a great antioxidant, which helps to protect against pollution, environmental pollution, even makeup and things like that. So a good vitamin C should definitely be part of your morning skincare routine. So back to this product, this also contains squalene, which comes from olives, so it is a vegan source. Plus it contains green tea and tartaric acid, so you're getting a lot of good things in this serum. The only downside though is that it is quite pricey, so I do have a few other options to share with you guys, but I think the price definitely comes from the fact that it has 20% vitamin C and all of those other good ingredients. So if you do want to invest in a really good vitamin C, I would recommend this one. If not, these other two are really great as well. So the first one is from Drunk Elephant. This is the C-Firma Day Serum. It has 15% L-ascorbic acid. It also contains pumpkin ferment extract and pomegranate extract, and these work on gently dissolving dead skin cells on your skin as you are wearing the serum. So you're getting a little bit of a 2-in-1 with this. This is the vitamin C that I used for so many years. You guys have probably seen this in some of my other skincare videos. I really love this. It does also contain ferulic acid and vitamin E, which help this vitamin C to work even better. This is in a more oil-based consistency, and I don't mind that. I actually think it's quite nice. It's really hydrating, gives you a nice glow at the same time, which this Beautystat one, this has more of a matte finish. I will make sure to put these on my hand as well so you guys can see like the finishes and the texture and consistency. But yeah, this is also a really nice vitamin C that I would definitely recommend looking into. And another one that I also really love, this is the most affordable ones of these vitamin C's, and this is from Verse. It's called Stroke of Brilliance Brightening Serum. This has vitamin C and licorice root extract, and it also contains niacinamide, which you guys probably know that I also love. Niacinamide is really hydrating on the skin. It's a really great ingredient to help to restore the skin, especially if you have acne or like broken skin. We do also have vitamin C and niacinamide in our mask, which you guys might know. I'm such a fan of those ingredients, so we definitely had to put them in our mask as well. But yeah, I would highly recommend a good vitamin C. I will have links to all of these below, and of course everything else that I mentioned. By the way, with all my skincare products, I do like to take them down on my neck and a little bit on my chest as well. I forgot to mention that in my evening skincare routine. And also I do like to take them here, not like directly underneath my eyes, but a little bit of the leftover. I do like to put it underneath my eyes and also across my lips. I think if your skin responds fine to it, you can totally do that. You don't need to go buy a separate eye cream or lip cream if your skin is fine with it. So once I've cleansed, applied my vitamin C, I will then go in with my moisturizer. And my favorite one, as I'm sure some of you guys probably know, is the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream. It comes in this really great little packaging that is airtight. You just press down here and you get the product on top, so it's very clean and hygienic. And this cream has kind of like a gel consistency. It's really nice and lightweight. It just sinks right into the skin. It doesn't leave any heavy residue at all. I love this cream. I've been using it for so many years, and I love again that it's just like really nice and fresh and lightweight. Again, I also like to take this down on my neck and also a little bit on my chest to hydrate there as well. And it does also contain some good antioxidants and nutrients for your skin. It's simple and it works, which I love, and that's exactly what I want from a moisturizer, is just to kind of lock in everything else that I have going on underneath. Sometimes at this point, before I apply my SPF, I will use this little tool from Nurse Jaime. This is their UpLift roller. I love massages and just anything that is going to help me feel more relaxed and at ease. So I love to just take this a little bit here around my eyes. It's really nice and depuffing, especially after you've been sleeping. I also like to take it between my brows and release any tension there, and also like kind of up on my face like this. It's just nice to stimulate a little bit of blood flow to your skin cells in the morning. You can of course also use your fingertips, or to get the same kind of cooling effect that this gives, because this does stay quite nice and cool, you can also just use 2 little teaspoons. You could have them in your fridge, take them out and just gently press them like underneath your eyes and anywhere where you tend to get a little bit puffy. That's also a really great thing to do, and it just helps to make you feel a little bit more fresh in the morning, and it's something that I really like. It's not 100% necessary of course, but it is like a nice little thing to do sometimes. And then moving on to the last part of my morning skincare routine, it is to apply a really great SPF. This is probably one of the most important steps of any morning skincare routine, because SPF is really what is going to allow your skin cells to not age prematurely. I wasn't always this diligent about SPF. I would kind of just wear it like when it was sunny, but I've noticed such a big difference in my skin since I am wearing it every day. My skin is a lot softer and just more even toned as well. So my favorite SPF lately has been from EltaMD. This is the UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. This is specifically designed for more acne-prone skin types, which is such a blessing to hear, because me and SPF in the past have not been the best of friends. I've always found it so difficult to find good SPFs that don't break me out, and this does not. This contains 9% zinc oxide, and zinc alone is such an incredible ingredient for helping to calm inflammation. We also have zinc in our face mask, and I love it so much for helping to reduce breakouts. This also contains 5% niacinamide and hyaluronic acid as well, so it is very hydrating, and it's not heavy, you guys. It's so lightweight, but it's still moisturizing. It sinks right in. It doesn't leave any white cast on my skin. And the best part about this is, of course, that it is made for more acne prone and sensitive skin types, so it does not break me out. In fact, I feel like when I wear this, it almost helps with any breakouts that I do have. It is really such a great sunscreen. It's also free of any oils and fragrances and parabens as well. So this I would highly recommend. I do also want to mention this one from Ren. This is their Clean Screen Mineral SPF 30. This has a mattifying finish, and I wanted to mention this in case you guys have really oily skin, or if you live in a really hot and humid climate, or if you're traveling and going on vacation or anything like that and you need a good, more mattifying sunscreen, then I would highly recommend this one. This is from Ren, so the ingredient list is really clean, and again, this does not break me out. I use this a lot during the summertime, and I would highly recommend it. Another favorite is from Bare Minerals. This is their Complexion Rescue Defense, and I want to mention this one because this does have a slight tint to it. It's definitely not like a tinted moisturizer or a foundation at all, but it gives you just a really nice soft radiant finish on your skin, and I really like this one as well. I used this pretty much all throughout last year, and I would highly recommend it. So there's a few different options there, and again, of course, I will make sure to have all of these linked below for you guys if you want to look into them and do more research. So that is my morning skincare routine. I also want to chat a little bit about some general skincare tips, specifically that I do in the mornings. So you guys probably know that I love to start my day with lots of water, and I also like to have a warm cup of water with lemon juice. This is something I've been doing every morning for so many years, and I swear by this. Vitamin C is again the precursor for producing collagen, so it's really important to not just have it on the outside of your skin, but also to be ingesting it and making sure that our cells are getting that good vitamin C and that they can make healthy skin from the inside out. And of course, with that, having a good diet, not over consuming in sugary things, because even though they are delicious and good for the soul and the spirit sometimes, they're not the best for our skin. So just having a good balance with that. And of course, greens and healthy fats are so important for your skin, like avocados, wild salmon, nuts, seeds, and good proteins as well. This is really important for your skin. I am planning on doing a separate video about my hormonal acne. I did talk to you guys about that a few months ago, but it is quite like a hefty topic, so I want to cover that in a separate video. But there I am going to go more into diet and lifestyle things, but I definitely just wanted to make a quick mention of that. And then of course, water. Our skin needs that good hydration, and especially after we've been asleep for so many hours as well. I feel like when I drink water in the morning, it just really helps to plump me up from the inside out. Making sure your pillowcase is clean as well is another big tip. I also like to sleep on a silk pillowcase, which is even better for your skin because it's a lot softer. It doesn't absorb and pull out as much moisture from your skin as a cotton pillowcase can do. So if you can get a silk pillowcase, I would highly recommend that. And of course, making sure that you're keeping it clean. I like to change my pillowcase about 2 to 3 times per week. And on that note as well, like makeup brushes and towels that you use on your skin, all of that can harbor bacteria. So it's really important that you are using clean ones. I like to have a dedicated set of face towels that are just for my face. Little things like this might get overlooked, but it's so important, especially if you do have more acne prone or sensitive skin. I will make sure to have a few of my other skincare videos below in the description box if you guys want to check those out. But I really hope that you guys found this video helpful, and I would love to know what your morning skincare routine is. If you have any favorite products, I would love to know below in the comments. I hope that you're all having a really nice day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.